Maxis E-Class adalah sebuah program komuniti utama Maxis yang mengarusperdanakan pembelajaran digital untuk semua pelajar Malaysia. Inisiatif pembelajaran digital selepas sekolah ini membawa penggayaan pembelajaran dengan cara yang menyeronokkan dan ceria bagi pelajar yang mendaftar di portal Maxis E-Class dari 5 hingga 11 Oktober 2020. Anda berpeluang untuk mengakses nota-nota hebat dalam exam secara eksklusif hanya di portal Maxis E-Class.
Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Umar. We're back again with PT3 exams coming up even sooner than before. Are you prepared for it? I hope so. I think I am. We are going to be hebat dalam exam together in this series of Maxis E-Class tutorial videos. Kalau nak tahu, E-Class lah. Now, today we're going to look at the identification section in PT3. So we'll be looking at the exam format and tips on how to answer this section. Error identification, exam format. So in part 2, error correction, this will give you around 8 questions to answer, which is from question 9 to question 16. You will be given a text with 8 underlined words that are wrong. So you have to remember they are wrong. You will need to identify the correct answer and fill it in the blanks provided. Now, 1 mark will be awarded for each correct answer. This session will test your ability to correct grammatical errors in the text. And now it's time for the tips. So, tips on how to answer this section. First tip. Read the passage and first identify the tense it is in. Figure out if it's present tense, past tense, or even future tense. This will help you answer questions that are related to the respective tense. Tip number 2. If you are unsure on what to answer, always remember that the answers do not stray too far from the category of the error. For example, if the error is a pronoun, your options should be other pronouns that are suitable. If the problem is in tense, it should always be in the same tense. Third tip. Always double check your answers. You are awarded 1 mark per question, and for this reason, any careless mistake will cost you that mark. So you don't want that. Always double check. Double check. Tip number 4. Make smart guesses. If you can't figure out the answer, then try having a few answers you think are correct and take the time to whittle it down to the answer you feel is the most correct. We're not asking you to guess blindly, we're asking you to make a good guess, an educated guess. We trust you. And here we have an actual real exam question for you to try. So take a moment to read through and identify which answers could be correct. You will find the words that are underlined. You need to correct them into its proper word. Ideally, you should try to answer these questions first. We will share you the answers, so don't worry about it. But for a better learning experience, it's always better for you to try first and compare notes. And if you have, we'll bring up the answers right now. For example, the first question is, friends are people who supports you through thick and thin. And the word supports is incorrect. The correct answer is support. And because you understand what exactly is incorrect about the word in that sentence, you're able to find the correct word. We've reached the end of our video, and as always, you can check out all our videos in the Maxis E-Class Hebat Dalam Exam, #Hebat Dalam Exam series with exam tips, revision notes, and past year questions. So log in every day and excel in your exams. Get your friends over, sit down together and do it together online as you log in to eclass.com.my, that's eclass.com.my together. And as always, kalau nak tahu, E-Class lah.